I'm Greg from BD Diesel, and today we're installing a water and fuel sensor for our Venom lift pumps. It's a product used to help you maintain your fuel system, and it's a quick little install to help your Venom fuel pump kit last a little bit longer. Let's get to it. Here we are with the Venom lift pump. I've already got the fuel lines clamped off to stop from leaking. Next thing we gotta do is get in there and take the old one out. So as you can see here, we have a new fitting for our new filter. We just gotta slap that in place of the old one here. So with our new water separator here, we have an aluminum fitting here that's been anodized in the bottom for the WIF sensor to fit into. Make sure to assemble that before you put it in the truck. So this here is the water and fuel sensor itself that threads into the bottom of the water separator we have. It allows us to get it at the lowest point in the fuel system where the water separator actually is. It lets you know when you need to loosen it off and let that water out. When we're putting in the water and fuel sensor, make sure to tighten enough that the O-ring seats, but we don't want to over-tighten because it is a plastic fitting. This truck had our previous Venom lift pump kit installed with the WIF sensor. Each Venom lift pump kit with WIF sensor comes with this extension harness that goes from your factory location farther up on the engine there, and it extends all the way down the frame to your new Venom pump mounting location. And it's just a simple plug-in, fits your factory harness, easy to use. With that completed, make sure to prime your fuel system, get all the air out, and you're ready to roll. Check out bddiesel.com for more great diesel products.